Alright, good morning everyone. Well, it's that period of life we are in now. You know, about the one about being fun time with heavy rain and heavy snow, and then we're up and then a winter storm warning about Santa Colorado, which is where I'm at. And to be honest, the especially the areas I'm near the you know, Colorado Springs and then down Pueblo, um, yeah, we're in it. Winter storm warning is in effect from 6 o'clock tonight, British Northern time, um, to noon tomorrow. What was that? Heavy snow expected. Total snow, I don't know what it is. 4 to 11 inches. Wind nothing as high as 40 miles per hour. Where Senate and Powder County, what is where I'm at. And one from 6 o'clock tonight to noon tomorrow. In fact, travel could be very difficult. The hazards, conditions could be, in fact, the morning of noon. Um, Now I'm not sure, like I don't sorry, I mean, like they're very small thunderstorms and heavy rain. Heavy, not heavy wet snow. I'm not sure. I mean everything, you know, it might be heavy wet snow. What we had last year, um, it was like freak down and power outages. The weather, no matter the weather, like here. Anyway, from now till unaided, that was 1 o'clock. It would be, on level around 2 and more. It's put the raining, and then now, um, about 9, put me in the thunderstorm. That, no, 100% chance of rain, 100% chance of thunderstorm. Not me severe, not me severe thunderstorm. It put me, heavy rain. Um, like that, and I think light to moderate rain from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. This is not, well, you want an umbrella. Um, so from 2 p.m. through 2 a.m. it's going to be raining and thundering. Then around 1 a.m. to 4 o'clock, like I said, what was that like? It will be around 8 a.m. Something you don't know. When it's snow mix, well, that means it has much snow, and I think the wind, instead of wind, we around 70 miles per hour. Not in the high at 40 miles per hour. And yeah, stay tuned. I'll definitely make a video about this. Um, that will when I'm at home. Well, at my therapy, but hopefully at my therapy, um, it's always gonna be, going out there. I definitely put it. Um, yeah, and I'm going to video tonight. Um, people, that point, gonna be lightning until 9. Yeah, I always want to be YouTuber. The one of YouTubers clip on the lightning and Melvin, you know. But yeah, and like that, yeah, I mean that. If you're you know, now where I'm at, when I went to snowboarding, from like tonight till noon tomorrow, so be ready, be prepared. Be mad. Very severe. Or probably when I'm at, it might not be that bad, but I don't know, it'd be odd. At night, well, I think we all later.